Ready to enter your Mary Kay era? For a limited time, you can start an iconic beauty business for $10. Obsessed with skincare, self-care, and makeup? Imagine turning your passions into a small business that's all about making meaningful connections, supporting your community, and achieving personal growth. Just think, instead of sharing selfies that benefit other beauty brands, you could be influencing your own beauty business and earning extra income. The best part? This opportunity just fits your life, whatever stage or phase you're in. Whether you're a college student hustling to make extra money, a hardworking mom who wants to spread her wings, a 9-to-5er looking for freedom and flexibility, or anything in between, Mary Kay can help you make this your best era yet. Hear why these independent Salesforce members entered their Mary Kay eras.
To be a Mary Kay product queen.
To earn extra income.
To be an entrepreneur.
To connect with a supportive community.
With the Mary Kay business, you're empowered to earn up to 50% profit on everything you sell when you place a $225 wholesale product order or more. And with the Mary Kay personal website, your business is always open, giving professional, accessible vibes. So, who's ready to invest $10 in untapped potential and possibilities? Don't miss this epic chance to enter your best era yet.